Welcome to Cunnekt. In this video, you'll learn how to create and manage team members in your account. Whether you're adding members to manage marketing, support, or sales, with Cunnekt, you can organize your team and assign the right permissions with ease. First, log into your Cunnekt dashboard. On the left side navigation bar, you'll see the Settings option. Click on it. Now you can see multiple CRM settings to choose from. Look for the User Management option and click on it. To add a member, click on the Add Member button at the top right corner. Once clicked, a member creation form will appear where you need to fill in the team member's basic details and choose their access permissions. In the basic details, fill in the team member's name, email, phone number, and single-use password. Quick note: you can also assign a department to better organize your team. You can learn more about departments in our chat assignment workflow video. Now comes the important part: selecting the team member's role. A super admin has complete control over the account. They can access all modules available in your plan, manage settings, and make changes across the board. Please note, actions taken by super admin could be irreversible, so assign this permission carefully. An admin has full access to the modules you choose to assign. Once you select admin, you'll see a list of channels. If you've added multiple channels, choose the channels you want to assign to the team member. Next, you'll see all the available modules. By default, all permissions are turned off. Switch any toggle on to give this admin full access to that module. Here's what the admin can do with each module. Chat CRM. Access and manage all customer chats. Campaign/broadcast. Create, edit, and send broadcast campaigns. Forms. Create and manage data capture forms. Template. Create, edit, and manage message templates. Chatbot. Create and manage chatbot flows and automations. Lead management. View and manage all leads in the system. Contact management. View and organize all saved contacts. Analytics. View performance reports and analytics. Export data, export records and reports from the system. Mask number. Enabling this will mask all contact numbers for this team member. Once you've selected the modules, scroll down to the System Settings section. Here, you can control what system settings the admin can manage. Select Yes to allow an action or No to block it. Let's go through each one. Agent Management. Select Yes to allow the team member to create and edit team members. Chat Management Settings. Select Yes to allow the team member to configure auto replies, conversation labels, and assignment logic. Lead Management Settings. Select Yes to allow the team member to configure lead capture and lead distribution. API and webhooks. Select Yes to allow the team member to manage API keys and webhooks. Integration. Select Yes to allow the team member to set up and manage external integrations like Shopify and WooCommerce. Channels. Select Yes to allow the team member to manage connected communication channels. Billing. Select Yes to allow the team member to manage billing details and access invoices. Now that you know how to set up an admin, let's proceed to the third option: staff. When creating a staff member, we can define advanced custom permissions in each assigned module. This gives you even more granular control over permissions. Just like with admins, start by selecting the communication channels you want to assign. Next, you need to assign the contact access control permissions. Contact access control permissions let you decide exactly which contacts each staff member can see and manage. Choose all contacts if you want that staff member to access every contact in the modules you assign below. Choose Assign Contacts if you want them to access only the contacts that are specifically assigned to them. Permissions for individual modules can now be configured using the toggle controls to enable or disable access. For staff, in select modules you also get feature level control. Toggle on to enable the module, and configuring feature level control is optional. The contact management has the following permissions. Delete contacts. If you choose Yes, the staff can permanently delete contacts. Manage attributes and tags. If you choose Yes, the staff can manage account level attributes and tags. Inside the Chat CRM, you have the following permissions. Hide unassigned chats. If you select Yes, the staff won't see unassigned chats. Disable assignment. If you choose Yes, the staff cannot assign chats to other staff. You can toggle this module on to permit staff to manage the leads inside Lead Management module. Similarly, you can toggle the campaign module on to permit staff to view and manage campaigns inside the campaign CRM. Based on contact access control, staff can view all campaigns or campaigns created by themselves. Modules such as templates, forms, and chatbots use similar permission settings. For each module, the following are the levels of access to give your staff. There are 3 permission levels available. View only. Staff can view all items in the module but cannot create, edit, or delete any items. Full access. Staff have complete control and can create, edit, and delete items as needed. Own items only. Staff can manage only the items they have created and cannot access items created by other team members. Here is how you can give permissions for analytics. If the analytics button is enabled, the staff can view all performance reports and analytics. Next comes the export data. If the export data toggle is enabled, the staff can export chats, contacts, and reports from the system in CSV format. Next comes the permissions for number masking. You can enable mask number to hide phone numbers from the staff managing the contact. Now scroll down to the settings section to control what administrative actions the staff can perform. The permissions in the settings are similar to the permissions we have already explained in the admin section. The access levels and controls follow the same structure without any changes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add team members in Cunnekt and assign the right permissions based on their role. You now have full control over who can do what in your account. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.